Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Prequalification on Chase with online offers easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Chase website. Log into your Chase account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Credit Cards tab on the main navigation menu. Click on See All Credit Cards to view the available credit card options. Browse through the list and find the card you are interested in. Click on the card to view its details and features. Look for the Check for Prequalification link, usually found on the cards page. Click on the Check for Prequalification link. You may be prompted to enter some personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Fill out the necessary information in the required fields. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Once you have entered your details, click on the Continue button. Chase will then evaluate your information to determine your pre-qualification status. You should receive a response within a few moments. If you are pre-qualified, you will see details about the offers available to you. Review the terms and conditions for each offer carefully. If you decide to proceed with an offer, click on the Apply Now button. Fill out any additional required information for the application. Submit your application to complete the process. After submission, you will receive a notification regarding the next steps. Keep an eye on your email for updates on your application status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.